Python is more popular than ever. One reason for its great success is its amazing libraries such as NumPy and SumPy for scientific computing, which offers very rich functionalities. So when you are working on some really big projects, you don't have to start from scratch all the times with Python, as these libraries can really cut down on the initial development cycle due to a wide collection of APIs they can offer. However, when these libraries are evolving, such functionalities can change over time in its life cycle. One of these API changes are called API deprecation. API deprecation is a natural progression in the API lifecycle, and it refers to API that will be no longer supported by the development team in the near future. So what will happen if this library API deprecation happens, and how are they influencing your projects? In this study, we try to understand how these library APIs are deprecated in terms of implementation, and how are they documented. Have we done much to fix deprecation issues? We started from understanding developers' discussion from Stack Overflow regarding such API changes, and then look into its deprecation mechanism, documentation quality, and API usages in real-world Python projects. We also offer the tool named Delocator to encourage further API analysis for Python programs.